Hello, my beautiful nail friends. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Nail House Gel Polish. So if you're interested, keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jolene. Welcome. So I just wanted to go over some of the gel polishes that I had purchased from Nail House. I had tried their acrylics and I was really impressed, especially with their Valentine collection. I just fell in love with it. And I wanted to try some of their polishes. So I got some spring color and we are going to swatch away. The first one is Pastel Yellow. I love how they have the color on the top. Like it just, that's great. I just wish that they had the name of the actual polish on, on the bottle. No big deal. I just created little labels. I'll show you at the end. So that is Pastel Yellow. This one is Sandcastle. I really like that, like real light nude. This one is my favorite. It's called Winter Fresh. And it is like like a baby powder blue. I don't have a blue like it. I have like duck egg blue and some, real dark blues but this blue, yeah, I love this blue. This is so pretty. These colors are perfect for spring. I cannot wait to play with them. I cannot wait to use them on myself, on my friends, my family. This is the perfect Barbie Pink. So this is Bebe or Bebe, however you want to say it. I don't have a pink like this in my collection, believe it or not. This is so pretty. And again, I was really impressed with, you really could get away with just one coat with these. But yeah, I was so impressed with these. And as you can see, all I did was just make little labels and put them on the bottle because I like to know the name. So there is what I have for now. So pretty. And yeah, just if you want to know the name, I mean, they're numbered. So the number's on the bottom, as you can see. But I prefer to have the name of the polish. On the other ones, on the top coat, the base coat, and the matte, they are labeled. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch my channel. Happy Valentine's Day.